This is a secret for cabinet making. Cabinet makers use for flat doors, at least I do, and I would imagine others do, we use what's called an MDF core material that looks like this. Okay, this is just a paint grade maple piece. The core is MDF, and the edges get banded with a very thin veneer. You can see on that edge there how thin that is. That gets done with an edge bander machine. And the main point I want to make here is that you cannot get this material. I don't believe they sell this at Home Depot or the large box stores. The only place that I know of to get this kind of material is at a specific lumber supplier, like a lumber warehouse kind of thing. I use Phillips plywood here in LA, and they have a huge facility. They mostly sell plywoods, veneers, and panels for cabinet makers and contractors, and probably the movie industry as well. This is for a closet for an existing house, not a closet, but it's for like a built-in for wall-to-wall. And inside of here, you'll see this is just standard pre-finished plywood. It's gonna get a closet rod and maybe some shelves. They're both gonna be configured a little different. And there's a cabinet going up here, which is another 18 inches. We'll make it higher. Here's one of the uppers that's going above that. And here's the other one as well. And it's wall to wall. Fairly simple build, but I just want to point out that for paint grade, you could use just solid MDF. I grabbed an MDF sheet just so you could see what it looks like. This would be straight MDF, okay? You could also use this, but you would have to take the edges. They absorb paint like crazy. So you would still have to edge it the way I edge banded these. And you could use that. There's sort of a stigma with just straight MDF. So I typically use this. This you could use in a garage or something, but I think for a home, you're probably better off with a veneer on there. To be honest, you could stain this. Looks stain grade, even though it's paint grade. I don't see any footballs or anything in it. You can see a grain there. So you could probably even stain this. Anyways, just wanted to show that on flat panel doors. You can try the box doors, but I think you're better off going to like a lumber yard or a yard specifically that sells sheet goods, plywood, like Phillips plywood. I'm not sure if they will actually sell direct to public. I should ask them that. I just wanted to go over the doors and how we do that typically. What should we call this? Cabinet tip Monday. I don't know. Anyways, tip of the week for cabinet making. Use MDF core for a very flat, stable door. I just wanted to point out that one particular. That's it. Thank you. So yeah, oh, wait, is it still going?